Finally, Step 12. Choose a payment method and pay online. We're now already at Payment tab, in which it shows the total price of the purchased items, including the shipping fee and the payment method. If we look at the example, I purchased 2 pieces of spinach that is worth 65 pesos each in a total of 130 pesos. Plus, a shipping fee of 100 pesos from Little Move, where the overall total price is worth 230 pesos. In order to pay the purchased items online, you should choose and select a payment method. There are 2 types of payment method: pay by bank wire, or pay with your card or your PayPal account. Click Pay by Bank Wire if you want to transfer or deposit your payment directly to Organic Veggie Mommy's bank wire account by visiting your respective bank, and process your deposit slip together with your payment. Once you're done clicking Pay by Bank Wire button, you will proceed to a next page in which displays the short summary of your order. Below, there are 2 buttons: Other Payment Methods and I confirm my order. Click I confirm my order to complete your transaction and display the bank wire account details. Now your order is complete, and it already displayed the bank wire account details of Organic Veggie Mommies, in which you have to take note the important following details, such as the amount of the item that you've purchased, which is 230 pesos. Name of bank wire account owner, which is Doris Makolanko. Bank name and its bank account number, which are Metro Bank JP Laurel, with account number of 77477740014464, or BDO Lavazares, to account number of 000310094569. After taking notes of bank wire account details, kindly deposit now your payment to Organic Veggie Mommy's bank wire account, and received bank deposit slip from your respective bank. Looking back to bank wire account details, the last thing to do is read and follow this instruction part, where you will have to private message Miss Doris via Viber by sending the picture of your bank deposit slip or screenshot of your online banking deposit. Also indicate your full name and the total amount of your purchase before she can process your order. You also have to take note: your private messages should be received on or before 3 p.m. of the nearest Saturday from your order to avoid any issues. Going back, there is another payment method, which is pay with your card or your PayPal account. Click Pay with your card or your PayPal account if you want to pay via online using your PayPal account, credit, or debit card. Once you're done clicking Pay with your card or your PayPal account button, you will direct it to PayPal's login page. There are 2 types of payment option in PayPal. The first option, you'll have to log in your PayPal account by simply typing in your email and password. Then, click Login button to view or process your payment and transaction to Organic Veggie Mommies. The second option, click Pay with a bank account or credit card button if you don't have a PayPal account and you want to use your bank account or credit card. By simply typing in your card number, name, billing address, and contact information. Then click Continue to process and continue your transaction.